All right, guys, so right now we're gonna do some rollers of the trucks for the video, for the wash video. Huge shout out to Bit67 for coming out. If you haven't checked him out on Instagram, make sure you follow him. I did a truck review on his truck, so tag will be popping up, of course. Also, you haven't seen the video on how to wash a truck, on how I wash a truck, make sure you check that out. But dang, that truck looks so daggum good. Oh, I love the way that thing looks. Oh, it looks so daggum good. But anyways, so how's it going, everybody? Trucks and Water here. Now that I can start the intro of this video, today is just going to be another weekend of working on the truck for rod run and whatnot. I don't know what else is going to happen or go on this weekend, but Bit67, he's in front of me. We're gonna do some rollers of his F250. Every time I see that truck, I want to go in debt to get one, because God bless, it's such a nice truck. But anyways, don't know what else is going on this weekend, so we'll see. This is a little bit later on the day. I found a battery terminal like this. It's supposed to be an extender where you can do attachments to the Chevy, since mine doesn't screw on the top, screws on the side. So hopefully this will work for the extra accessories going on the truck. So we're gonna head back to the house, start working on the truck. Me and Dad finally, we kind of got an idea on how we're gonna fab this up, and then we got the lines drawn so I can get a water jet cutted. Got the light bar right here, 30-inch dual row by Rough Country, puts out about 16,200 lumens of light. So we kind of think we've got an idea on how we're gonna do this. So I get it cut out and everything prepped ready. I have the bumper, this ready, bow tie on it, this ready to go, well, that bumper right there, and everything else ready to go, and then we'll all do it at once. So that's where we're at right now. It's just a lot of thinking and custom fabbing. Like, this doesn't happen overnight. Like, a lot of people think you can just do this overnight, and yeah, we probably could yank it off real quick, take a grinding wheel and grind it and do it. I've seen it done like that, but you run the risk of like it being choppy and looking bad. So I want to do it right the first time and get a water jet cut fabbed and have it done. But it looks like we're doing pretty good. It's just a lot of thinking through it and measuring and stuff like that. So, all right, guys, I figured out my frame lights. We got those wired up, hooked up permanently, which I'm happy about. So right now I gotta head to Ace to get some more stuff in preparation of this bumper build. But yeah, we got everything fit out. I'm gonna go over in a separate video my whole Op7 lighting setup. I mean, the rock lights, the frame lights, how we wired them up, whole 9 yards with that. So let's head over to Ace right now. Got some of these that should fit over it. Now I'm gonna go down to the O'Reilly's and look for some more of these, but these should be big enough and not too big where they should fit over it. So we got the battery terminal fixed a whole lot nice and neater. I'll show you all that right now. Pop the hood in this bad son again. 350 small block. There we go. So it's a battery terminal extender right here. I got it at O'Reilly's. Just extends out, and you know, one part goes in the battery with your battery terminal, and then you can add accessories on right here. Makes it a whole lot nicer, neater, and cleaner than the old style way. So got that taken care of. So when we add the light bar onto it, boom, plug it in and go. So that's all set up and ready to go. So right now I'm going to wipe, you know, clean off all my windows and stuff. Now I'll make a video on my total Op7 lighting setup for the underbody of the truck, because a lot of you have been asking how and what and where and how I did it. So we'll go over that in a new video. Tab be popping up for that, of course, so check that out. But yeah, we should be good to go. Why are you in my boyfriend's truck?
My boyfriend, sorry.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
My boyfriend first.
No, no, he wasn't. What are you doing? Sorry.
You didn't record that, did you?
Oh yeah.
Is that waterproof?
Oh yeah.
Waiting on Josh and Megan.
Waiting on Josh and Megan. Yep. Driving the Yoder. I mean, he probably won't put this in this video, but.
The Yoder.
Yoda. Trucks and water. Go check them out.
All right, guys. Now since the world's full of people that you know, claim to be different genders and whatnot, my truck now identifies as a electric car. This goes in here, right? Yep, it identifies as an electric car now. Tell me you cut this. Was that Ivy screaming? I stole my girlfriend! Hunter. So, we're waiting in line for some smoothies, and this idiot in front of me taking forever with his smoothie. Alright guys, it is currently Wednesday. I didn't vlog Monday or Tuesday, there's nothing going on, I had school and whatnot. But anyways, right now I'm gonna hopefully get the bumper dropped off because it's gonna get water jet coated. Thank God it's finally going through. Waited long enough. So right now I'm heading over to the metal shop to hopefully get that taken care of and all that fun stuff. What's this bus doing? Alright. Forgot that stop, the train stop sign. It's not in the greatest part of town, but you know, at least they're gated. Unfortunately, they could not cut out my bumper with the water jet because the way the nozzles in the water jet, the top cut, the lip of the bumper being the way of the top cut of the thing, and the water jet tail doesn't go up high enough to get over, because my bumper's curved, it's not 100% flat. And, you know, it doesn't go up high enough to where how do I explain this? Like to go over the bumper somehow, and we checked it out, and it is what it is. I very much appreciate them looking at it and saying they can't do it, and just not saying no, we can't do it. But hey, you know, stuff happens on this, so I think we're just gonna do it with the grind wheel and take our sweet baby time doing it. Like, we're gonna take go very slowly in doing this, so we'll see. Hopefully we can get it done. Probably wondering, Josh, why do you have sawhorses and the bumper is sitting on the counter over there? Well, today is the day we're going to cut out the bumper and get that ready to go. Now, the issue like I had in the last vlog, like I told you all, is that we couldn't do water jet the way the water jet's set up, the way the head works, and how high it can do it. It wasn't going to work with the bumper, so I had to do it the manual old-fashioned way, which is not a big deal. We can do it. I'm not worried about that. It's just I want to eliminate that as much as possible for just reassurance and whatnot, but it's not a big deal. We'll get it done. We'll cut out the bumper, and that'll be ready to send off to Line X to get that finished up, to get the front end done, and we'll be ready to go. It's almost that time. It's almost that time. We got the template inside the bumper right now. We got it screwed down. We gotta do some minor adjustments while you see some more screw holes, but it's trial and error, guys. Especially these rounded bumpers. You just gotta kind of look at it and trial and error. So we're gonna grind it. Grind. Drill pilot holes to meet the grinds up to by hand grind the rest of it. Same thing with the edges, and that way we can give our light bar. The whole light bar is not gonna be shown. Just kind of like the black trim part with the actual face of the LED lights gonna be shown through the bumper, but it's starting to come together, guys. It doesn't take that long to do this. It's just take your time, a lot of trial and error, you know, make sure it looks good type deal. So we'll grind it out and then we'll go from there. The sneak peek on what's gonna kind of look like, we kind of mounted the light bar a little bit inside to see what it looks like. It looks really freaking cool, but I'm not gonna give you any spoilers. We have to wait to the reveal video on that. But this is kind of what it's going to look like, if you can imagine it on the truck, of course, with being Line X and everything else done with the truck. So stay tuned for that, but this is your sneak peek on what it's gonna look like. Why am I sitting in bumper to bumper traffic when going a mile takes about 15 minutes? Well, I'm going to Linex in Knoxville, and the reason why I'm going to Linex in Knoxville is because I'm dropping off the bumper to get Linex. Currently it's Monday, guys. So like I said, I'm going to Linex in Knoxville, dropping off the bumper. Hopefully get that done in a few days and pick it up and get it on by this weekend, and we'll go from there. But I absolutely hate West Knox traffic. God, it sucks so bad. Rolling up on it. Bumper's dropped off at Linex. We are getting the whole thing cut, wrapped, whole 9 yards. So it's gonna be good. He said it'll be a couple days before I get it back, which is fine with me. That's okay. So it's getting real. Like, this is legitimately getting very, very real, and I cannot wait. When you're so lazy that you have Uber Eats deliver McDonald's to your house. It's pretty crazy you can do that nowadays.